said we just got.
Yeah, tell him I lost my wallet. Like, what we gonna do now? Order.
Look, he needs his. I told you he needs his wallet and ID. They said you need your wallet and credit card that you use to pay.
I did have a picture. What about the debit card? Got paid with. Alright. See. Where's that?
They got Thirsty Thursdays here too. That's lit.
I ain't trying to see no alcohol, bro. Hell nah. One keys, wow.
Yeah. Sign the waiver.
No, I did.
Well, it says sign this.
Yeah.
Now y'all know how to record. Now you know how to record.
He was spamming that yesterday.
Bro, I had.
That bitch by accident. I'm like, how the fuck you turn
Yo,
that bitch
I had 51 videos.
Yes.
I'm about to go buy an SD card, bro.
Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry.
They're ready to change it or not?
Nah, I'm gonna just let them go. Bro, I don't even know, bro. I think slow, bro. Right here.
Bro, don't come at me. Don't come at me saying just slow, just slow.
Nah, he's slow.
Deep.
No, bro, I didn't even know I did that.
You go for the fifth, and you was one of the first niggas to do it.
Bro, I said Friday, that's what I did. Friday.
No, you did it.
Bro, you got the card. You got the card.
That's what you could go rap more, bro. I'm not an old. It's only 30 minutes. What the fuck we on?
That's an hour now.
Where did you find? Let me know what you find.
I want some tacos. I want some tacos. That's my mind. Switch it up. Tacos. Or we in Ocean One or some tacos. Tacos right here.
Bro, you got the card. You work like you work. I ain't gonna hold you back, bro. Say your name. I ain't gonna hold you back.
I need some Speedos.
We got life vests.
Nah, you don't need that.
Y'all gonna say I don't need that.
I definitely need that. I know I need that.
Say, better get out. Yo, nah. What happened in the car? You missed it. You missed it, bro. I fucking sat, right? I said, I know he didn't put a new t-shirt on. Nah, we sat in the car. As soon as I said, I seen that shit. I'm like, I know he didn't put a fresh t-shirt on. That shit got holding already, bro. I pointed at it. Cass seen it, but he didn't say nothing, right?
Bro, he tried to put that shit on 2 days ago. I said, it's gonna be on.
Yo, he didn't see it, right? 5 minutes later, he said something. That's what killed me.
Right.
That's why it was so funny for me.
Well, mi amigos, any shoes and socks and everything, you can leave them over here. Sandals as well, because if you keep them, they're gonna get wet, man.
Yeah.
You might need to try.
You said,
Socks and sandals. What?
Let me get my sandals. And then if you want to keep pants or shirts or whatever dry, I'll get you a spot over there.
I'm cool.
I wouldn't rock the Rockies. They buy shit, man. What was y'all talking about?
He said
He grabbed that one.
what he said about shirts.
I can swim.
I can't.
They might have for that piece.
I know I
Cash. All right, if we go on the island, we're going snorkeling, and you gonna learn how to swim, bro. I'm telling you.
That's cool. For right now, as right now, I don't know how to, nigga. So right now, nigga, I'm putting this on right quick.
He put that.
That's what you gotta tell me. I want that motherfucker lose.
That shit better get out.
I'm barely gonna make it out.
Better get out of that.
That's the dookie shit in there? Oh no, that's like seaweed and shit.
Yo, what's the like you see in the ocean? It's like brown. It's like you know how you go out in the ocean, you see like browns. Is that seaweed?
Yeah.
It is.
Like that.
Oh, it'd be a lot. We
Just like this.
yeah, it'd be a lot. We be thinking it's like shit. We be thinking it's like shit. Oh shit.
And it's a little dangerous with the skis because you see these bubbles. They
Yeah.
get stuck in the propeller and
They
they
can't.
jam. They get stuck. So yeah, we gotta be very careful with the.
Okay.
All right, have a seat in the seat then.
Any of them?
Yeah, go for it.
Damn.
I got the one right here.
Oh, my feet hot.
Shit, Cash. Yeah.
Oh, my feet hot. I need some water. Oh, this shit actually big. Oh.
If not for that blue one a little hard.
I think the blue one. I think
Is that the captain shit right there?
That's the boss.
boss. Jefe. Me.
And half of that.
You can rescue me, right? You can rescue me. I'm needed.
Cash.
You don't need a rest, but
Cat.
you'll be all right, man.
How you work this shit, man?
We'll get to that.
Already.
I gotta figure out how to move.
Yo.
Oh, if you fall, just do a new life in the ocean. You'll be good.
Yeah, this shit hot. My motherfucker.
That's what I'm saying, man. Yeah, I got water in this joint. I'm good. These filled up, they got gas, right?
Grab that key. Hook it up. Everybody, grab the key and hook it up on the right side of your your jacket. That's the hook in the bottom. Keep looking on the right side bottom. There you go.
So,
Right there, yeah.
the gas got some good fuel, you know what I'm saying? I ride bikes.
You got
I'm ready to
fuel
12 this
all the way
bitch.
to
Whack.
St. Thomas. We
Can I-
can St. Thomas with this shit right now. I just fill it up like an hour ago.
Hour ago.
I'm scared. Why, bro? Why? What color? If you fall, just keep your head. It won't happen. Because we're gonna go, we're gonna be watching how you guys behave. But if you fall, just keep your head up. We'll go to you. Nothing will happen. You have the life jacket. Nothing will happen. You have this boat on the side of the ski. Yeah,
Alright, what happened,
They
bro?
won't let you flip. If you hold on tight, they're very stable. They won't let you flip.
You good, Cash?
Bro.
You good, Cash? Come on, we adrenaline junkies. I'm adrenaline junkie. Yeah,
My
I'm.
name is Mikael. We got Richard right here. We're gonna be your tour guys today along the San Juan Bay. It's a very busy bay, so there's a
Yeah, bro.
As we get in the water, go out slow. When you don't turn it off, don't point the ski to him, alright? Because when you turn it off, you're going to keep going straight. So turn it off once you're not pointing to anybody. And the steering wheel that way. Awesome. Turn it on.
I'm ready to willy this bitch.
It's been real, y'all.
It been real, Cash?
Come on, man. You got
I don't know why he's scared.
You're sweating. Come on.
That's it.
Yeah, bro. This got two holes. So
Don't worry about it.
this is the
Don't worry about it. Cash. Cash.
Oh, you might find a siren and,
Hey, yo, Cash. That shit barely get out.
Look at that. You like a mermaid in the ocean. Turn it on. Go slow. Tap on the gas. Just tap it. Like that. Just tap it once.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Yeah, just because once you push it once, you're in here, so you're gonna keep going straight. It's like putting your car in drive. Exactly. It's like putting it in drive. Move on. Turn the steering wheel that way. The other way. Turn it on. Go. Turn it off.
I'm good, yo. I ride bikes. I'm ready for this. I live for this. I want a jet ski. Yeah, I'm killing.
I don't want to see you falling, boss.
Nah. We good.
About to find out.
We good.
Remember, got a toy. Machine.
Always. Respect it. You got to. Oh. Bro, I want a jet ski now. I want a jet ski now. Already. Mr. Miyagi. Yo. I'm doing that next, y'all. I'm doing that next. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Oh, shit. Silver Surfer over there, bro. We too fast, Kyrie. We too fast, Kyrie. We too fast, yup. Yup. Hey. Helm.
Let him go first.
My bad.
Oh, you good? You good? Just want to get everybody together, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We can turn around and go to the back. Bro!
I'm going. Good. Go. I'm too fast. I was on their ass. I was on their ass. He said, whoa, 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 whoa. He said, whoa, 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 whoa. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey. Hey, he said, oh. Bro. We get one of these.
Hey, yo.
We get one.
Hey, what?
We get one, bro.
What?
I told you.
Bro, you're accelerating and getting too close to her. And you gotta stop and it's rolling. Keep it steady.
So chat, we out here, Puerto Rico, vibing, chilling. They told us to back off. We getting too close. We good. We do this. We do this, chat. You already know, chat. Yup, chat. We already do this. I'm trying to be like him. Moving. That's what it is. Oh, hey. I got everybody. Bro's so beautiful, bro. Oh my god. Easy, bro. Just take, bro. Turn it, top throttle, no reduce. You know what I'm saying? So, 25%. I'm trying to have a boat. I'm trying to have a yacht like over there. I'm trying to get one of these. Oh, I'm over here. Hit that. I'm here. Stand that. Tug Motel. Okay. I got my boy Eric right in front of me. Before that, no, after. Wait, oh, that's Kyrie. I got Kai right there. Cash in the front. Leader. The bar in my face. Oh, snap. Wipe y'all off real quick. Hope y'all drive, hopefully. Yeah, oh shit. Bro, you really hold on for your life, low key, bro. My fucking throttle head hurting, bro. Okay, Kai. You good? Okay, you wet. Pause. Oh. Back up. Yes, sir. My boy say he having fun. Go. Yeah, bro. I'm good, bro. That's beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. I'm playing. Gas. Oh, what's up? Bro, why turn off? Keep on doing it. Keep on doing that. I know you do. Good. You say he got slow. Oh shit. Bro, we get too close. I feel like we getting too close. They keep on stopping. I got mine. You better get yours. Oh, because of this, bro. Y'all do this for a living? Out here just doing it. Light work, man. It's fun. Yo, what CCs is this? It got some power. What CCs is this? What? I told you, bro. You see why I do what I do, bro. No, he coming. He coming. Oh. I want to jump in the water, bro.
I can't swim, bro.
Bro, it's not deep. You're at least like, probably like 8, 10 right here. Probably 8, 10.
I don't see the sand, though, bro.
When you go, you don't see the sand. It's not clear. Bro, you have to go carousel, bro. Yes, bro.
This shit right here.
We need one. I finally got my guys in some good shit, bro. Just like a bike. No, just like a bike, bro. Yo, I'm like, yo, Jeff. Yo, get your truck. Get your truck, bro. Right there, Rehoboth. Nah, Chesapeake Inn. Right there. Right there, bro. It's just like driving though. You can't be drunk though. Yeah. They'll give you a DUI for that shit. Nah, look, he's scared. He's scared. He's Where the water go? Shit, my feet getting hot. My feet getting hot. Am I recording? Oh, I'm recording. Oh yeah, I had all that. Yes, sir. What y'all want? See me do a backflip? I ain't gonna do a backflip.
Alright. Picture time and video square. 1, 2, 3. I have a 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, I'm chilling.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir. Yo, I love the water.
Video now.
Video?
Yeah.
I'm here.
1, 2, 3.
Puerto Rico. Timiati. Hey. Say cheese. Hey. Oh, I can't even play music because I'm not with my phone. Fuck.
Hey, I was scared at first. I ain't scared no more.
It feel good, bro. Water feel good, bro. Oh. Water feel good. Yo, we going to the beach after this? Cat, yo, he drive slow.
Hell no, I was following him. You gotta realize, every time I was trying to go 100, every time I try to go to 100, I'm right behind his ass. I'm like, damn.
We going to the beach after this? I want to.
Jeff, before them, I was motherfucking.
Us three, we was getting it. I'm not gonna lie. Cass was right behind him. Scared as shit. He was like,
I would tell how you know Cash is going slow. This nigga act like his shit died or something.
what did he do? Oh, my shit died. He said.
That's it, I drive slow. That nigga drives slow.
Hey, I'm behind him.
You was going down here.
Yes, I was.
Yo, Eric,
The guy said 20 feet.
Yes.
The guy said
Yes.
20 feet.
Yup.
Right behind you. It's the fortress. San Felipe del Morro, 503 years old. Took 200 years to build it. If you guys get the chance to go up there, man, it's awesome. All the way to the top of the earlier, bro. You got a great view. I think we've been. That's it.
Yeah, we've been there. It took 200 years to make it.
200 years, man. Two cycles, man.
When was it finished?
503, 1800s.
That shit's still up.
1800s and they finished in the
Chat, we back over here, chat. I got my boy Kaz behind me. My boy Kaz behind me. He up front. No, he in front of me. Kai up front. Bro, this shit fun. I'm getting one when I go back home. Stay for Marketplace, ate that. I got you. I gotta get one, bro. I don't got nowhere to put it though. I want like a 1,000 cc John turbo. I need the 1,000 cc turbo John. Woo! The whistle whistling on its own. Got the port right there. Bro, we in Puerto Rico. We outside, bro. You wanna go front? Oh yeah, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I hope I recorded. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Wow, we all with that fast shit. We all with the fast shit. Oh yeah, I'm jumping this bitch. Hey! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Cash. Oh yeah. Jumping it again. That shit fun, I'm not gonna lie. He said. He said, go about like 50 feet back in line. Yeah, fuck that. This shit fun right here. Oh, that's military. I was joking. I was hey. I'm gonna lie, bro. What is this? South CC, bro? This gotta be up. Ain't a 4 kitty, bro. Ain't a 7 kitty. I'm gonna say a 400, bro. Light work. Alright, chat. Getting tacos after jet ski. My shit died up, chat. We didn't know. Tacos about to fuck up. About to give a review. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, nah, I got. Go ahead. I'm talking.
let you do your thing.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Cash. You on? Is that?
Where? You cook.
Is that ISIS?
Turn off this. Turn off. This is true. Let it translate real time.
That's perfect. It's like right on the.
There's 2 umbrellas though, right?
There's 2 brothers there.
Yeah, they fucking put the second one like right there.